Hi, you guys! I'm so excited I came home today and I found a box from Scholastic Book Clubs. So, Cullen and Abigail, you will be getting some books soon that you ordered a month ago. But in this box, I had ordered a bunch of books, so now I can do some read alouds for you guys to hear. I miss that time during the day. This first book I read, I thought, oh, this is perfect for what we're going through right now, and it's called The Good Egg. It's written by Jory John and Pete Oswald. Oswald. Swoop. There we go. This is backwards for me. Goes like this. The Good Egg. Oh, hello. I was just rescuing the cat. Know why? Because I'm a good egg. A very good egg. It's true. I do all kinds of good things. Like, I'll carry your groceries. I'll water your plants. I'll change your tires. I'll paint your house. If you need help, any help whatsoever, I'm your egg. I've always been a good egg. It's been this way from the start, even in my earliest days back at the store. There were a dozen of us living together under one recycled roof. There was Meg and Peg and Greg and Clegg and Shell and Shelley and Sheldon and Shelby and Egbert and Frank and other Frank. The other 11 eggs weren't on their best behavior. They weren't exactly good. They ignored their bedtime. They only ate sugary cereal. They threw tantrums. They cried for no reason. They broke their stuff on purpose. Meanwhile, I tried to take charge. I tried to fix their bad behavior. I tried to keep the peace because I was a good egg. Sorry. A very good egg. Nobody seemed to care, though. Every night I was exhausted. My head felt scrambled. Then, one fateful morning, I noticed some cracks in my shells. Yikes! And his little sign says, "Kick me." They were everywhere. The cracks were. My doctor said it was from all of the pressure I was putting on myself, the pressure of making sure everybody else was as good as me. I was cracking up literally. Something had to change. I'd had enough. I told Meg and Peg and Greg and Clegg and Shell and Shelby and Shelley and Sheldon and Shelby and Egbert and Frank and other Frank that I was leaving. I can't be the only good egg in our bad carton, I said. Blah, 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 they replied. I left that night. I wandered from town to town. The hours became days. The days became weeks. I lost track of time. I was alone. Out there on the road, under the stars, I really tried to focus on myself and what I needed. I took walks. I read books. I floated in the river. I wrote in my journal. I found simple moments to be quiet. I breathed in. I breathed out. I even started painting. For once, I found time for me. And guess what? Little by little, the cracks in my shell started to heal. My head no longer felt scrambled. I started to feel like myself again. That's called a cairn that's on top of his head when you stack rocks. Here we go. Everybody missed me. I missed them too. Hello, hello, Meg. Howdy, Peg. Hey, Greg. Greetings, Clegg. What's up, Shell? Aloha, Shelly. Hey-o, Sheldon. Hi, Shelby. Good day, Egbert. What's happening, Frank? Howdy do, other Frank. Sure, every once in a while, somebody sure, every once in a while, somebody's still a little bit bad, but it's not like before. Here's what I realized. The other eggs aren't perfect, and I don't have to be either. I'm okay with that. Yep, the old carton is back together again. We're a solid dozen again. It's good to be home. So I thought that was a really good first book to read to you, because sometimes it gets a little much to have everyone around, and we need to kind of go off by yourself and maybe do a painting or read a book or take a walk. So when you're feeling a little cracked in the head, find some time for yourself. You guys have a great day. I miss you.